Let's do it. Hey guys, welcome back to one more unboxing video. So today we're gonna talk about one of the product. It is gaming mousepad. So the product which I got from Amazon is quite look like this, and moreover it's a Indian brand. Yes, you heard it right. It's a Indian brand, and its headquarter is in Kolkata, West Bengal. Okay, so let's open this box and see how it look like. uh, Before that, I would like to tell the model which I ordered. It is Warhammer GX1050 speed type gaming mousepad. So it is an XL, extended version, and it is like black red S model. So there are two model actually in extended version: black S red and black red S and black red R. Both are pretty same. The only design of dragon is bit different. So let me open it. Before that, let's see what all things we have got inside. Yeah, so as here also written, it's a Warhammer family, and it's a Indian brand. So let's see how this Indian brand is actually competing against other imported brand. So if you see in the center, there is a dragon art. Yes, so both S and R having different dragon design. And if you see its backside, it's premium texture of rubber, and all corner are double stitched. So let's first see its claim to 30-inch and 11-inch extended XL mouse pad. So let's see, measure and see how it's actually, is it the same width or height which is given or not. Yes, so if you see here, it is 11-inch spokes or whatever mentioned on the product page, and other one is just 30.8 inch. That's pretty much same what mentioned over the product. So yeah, length and width are pretty much same which mentioned over the product. And see how it's look like over the desk. So as I mentioned, uh, it's dual stitches edge, and high density premium structure on the back, so which not allowed to move it. I tried to move my mouse over it and see like how easily the mouse is moving, or is it resistance to the surface. Yeah, the back side is pretty dense and premium structure is there on the back, so it won't move easily. Yeah, so I try to move it. You see, it quite frequently moving. So it has a high quality lycra cloth, because of which we can smoothly move our mouse, and it was optimum for fast movement, and maintain excellent accuracy and control over it. So both mechanical and optical mouse can be work over it. And it also coated with a waterproof coating, so whenever some liquids splash on the cloth surface, it will form into water drops and slide down. Just you need to wipe it with a piece of cloth. And it's a non-slippery rubber base, as I told, so it won't skid. How fast we move our mouse or keyboard on it. So I'm just testing it, how smooth it is moving. Yeah, pretty good for me. And the color accuracy I can't show you over the video, because in naked eye, if you see it, it is more contrast. In camera, that contrast I can't able to show you, but it is more contrast and all. And the dragon which is in center, it's like awesome. See, let me show you the zoom of that dragon image. So if it is put on your desk, it is quite cool looking stuff till now. Quality is quite impressive, as it's an Indian brand and they are doing great. Let me tell you, I'm not doing any promotion of this product or something. It's my personal experience which I am went through. I'm just sharing to you guys. So at the end, I must say ki it's a must buy product, and no one can believe this is Indian product. Trust me, its quality is awesome, and it can beat imported, like import product whichever they are in the market. So after a long time, I am seeing a good Indian brand which is doing something on giving things this quite premium quality and look. I'm using this from last 2-3 months or so, and it's quite doing great from them. So it's highly recommendable. You see Warhammer logo is there. So yeah, this is pretty much for now. If you like this video, please like and subscribe. Do share with a friend. Stay tuned for more video. Till then, have a good day. Bye bye.
Tell me pretty lies, look me in the face. Tell me that you love me.